Keeping your crypto safe starts with securing your account. Since cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, taking a few minutes to strengthen your account security can help protect your funds from unauthorized access. In this video, I'll show you how to secure your Gate account. First, log in to your Gate account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Security. This is where you'll find all of Gate's security options in one place. One of the most important things you should do is enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. Next, make sure you're using a strong and unique login password. Fund password for withdrawals and sensitive transactions. Create one that's different from your login password. This adds another layer of protection to your account. Enable email or SMS notifications so you'll be alerted whenever someone logs into your account or performs important actions. If available, use features like anti-phishing codes to help identify legitimate emails from Gate and review your trusted devices and login history regularly. Remove any devices you no longer recognize or use. Finally, always log in through the official Gate website or mobile app. And that's how to secure your Gate account.